my name is Kayla Thorne, and I am a special education teacher for a 611 autism class at CV-TEC. I wish I was able to meet all of my families in person for our traditional open house, but instead I have prepared this message for you. We have an outstanding school team that works closely together in the classroom to help ensure your child's success. This includes Bethany, our TA, Andrea and Emily, our one-to-one aides, Andrea, our on-site BCBA, as well as our amazing speech, OT, and PT team. Some things you should know about our classroom are we're utilizing the ACE curriculum, which is designed for students with autism. ACE uses ABA-based lessons, which are customizable for individual student needs. For our groups, we are using News to You, which allows us to explore current events, practice taking turns, and enjoy extension activities that accompany each article. Our class attends our work experience program in-house. Students are able to try and learn about different vocational and career skills. It is going to be a great school year. Thanks for stopping in, and please know we are in this together. Best wishes to you and your family.